Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. In the previous lecture, you learned how to convert the database into its object. Today, in lecture 2, we shall discuss after converting the database into its objects, how we can deploy it manually on the target database. If you need any help about Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure, Web CICD, please contact on this WhatsApp number. In DevOps King channel, every video is prepared by DevOps certified engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please search for DevOps King. You will find the channel. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Today in lecture 2, we shall discuss how we can manually deploy on the target database server. First of all, in the previous lecture, I have converted the database into its object in the form of solution file. Now, after converting it in the form of solution file, we want to add a stored procedure. So, first of all, we shall right click on the database project. After that, we shall click on the add option. After that, we shall select the stored procedure. When we click on the stored procedure, we shall get the interface like this one. First of all, we shall select the programmatically section. After that, we shall select the stored procedure in this case. We shall write the name of the stored procedure. After that, we shall click on the add button. The stored procedure will be added into our code as shown in the below. This one. We have added the stored procedure myTestSQL. And moreover, after selecting the myTestSQL, our stored procedure, we shall write the simple query of insertion. After this, now we shall right click the database project, click the debug section, click the edit button. Now, first of all, we shall right click on the database project. After that, we shall select the debug section, and after that we shall click on the edit button. When we click on the edit button, we shall get the interface like this one. We shall select the database on which we want to execute the script. So, in the history section, we shall check the different databases like the SQLDatabase, MyMasterTestDB, and so on. Our current database is AppSQLDatabase. When we select this database, below is the section where we shall finalize the connection of our database, like the server name, authentication type, either it is SQL Server authentication or Windows authentication, user of the database, and its password. Now, after filling this interface, the next screen will come like this one. After providing the server name, database name, user and password, we shall click on the test button. Like as you can see that we shall press the test connection button. When you click on the test button, you will get the message test connection succeeded. After this, now we shall define the connection string for the target server on which we want to deploy the changes in the our database. Like in the target connection, when you select the database section, in the database section you will update the connection for the target database. After updating the target database connection, we shall, in the next page, we shall get the right click on the database server and select the build option. In the previous section, we shall update the target connection database, and after that we shall right click on the database server, database project, and select the option build. After selecting this option, our source code will create the DAC file as shown in the next interface. When we build the database project, we shall get the DAC file, this one. We shall get the DAC file, this one. After the build, now the last step is to publish the database, publish the changes on the target database. So in the next one, after the building, we shall right click on the database project and select the option publish. When we publish the changes on the target database, our all DAC file will be executed on the target database. So after the publish, it will again ask the target database. On the publishing the data changes of the database on the target server, it again asks for the target database setting. We shall provide the target database setting here. After that, we shall click on the publish button. When we click on the publish button, our changes will be executed on the target server. So in this case, after this, we want to make sure that our changes are implemented on the target database. So we shall select the query, select top 1000 ID from DB test, from the test table. In this section, you will come to know that our changes are implemented on the target database. So we have completed the manually deployment or changes of the database on the target database. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by Senior DevOps Engineer. Wish you good luck for your career.